Good morning, friends. We are on chapter number 4 of account part 2, which is analysis of financial statements. And today, in this lecture, we will be solving sum number 14, which is given on page number 208 and 209. So, page number 208 and 209, the sum is given to us. The sum says that balance sheet of 2 years of Shyam Limited are as follow. Ascertain the balancing figure. So friends, basically they want to tell us that common size balance sheet or common size statement of balance sheet of 2 years of Shyam Limited are as follow and ascertain the balancing figures. So common size statement is not printed in the beginning, so we will consider that common size statement of balance sheet of 2 years of Shyam Limited are as follow. Ascertain the balancing figure. Now friends, what amount they have given, what information they have given us? They have given us equity and liability side, and in that share equity capital and preference capital, then in reserves and surplus is profit and loss account, and in non-current liability 10% debentures, and in current liability trade and payables and other liabilities. But here when we talk about the amount or information, for the year 2017 they have given us the amount, and for the year 2016 they have given us the percentage. So as well as total is also given for both the years. Now let us talk about the 2016, where percentage are given but amount is not given. So from this percentage, with the help of this percent, we will be finding this amount. Okay, right? And the formula will be that item, that may be a equity capital or reserve or liability or anything that can be calculated, equals to total of balance sheet into percentage upon 100 into percentage, this percentage. Say for example equity share capital, then 34 lakh into 40%, and we will get 13 lakh 60,000. The same way preference share capital 34 lakh into 20%. Profit and loss account 34 lakh into 15%. Debentures 34 lakh into 20%. Trade payables 34 lakh into 3%. And other liabilities 34 lakh into 2%. Okay. And when we talk about the amount of information of 2017, in information of 2017 they have given us the amount. So we know how to calculate percentage. The percentage will be this amount divided by total into 100. So it is very simple to calculate. Let us do this. Then we will begin with the liability side, asset side. First of all, let us finish the liability side. Here it is. Sum number 14, common size statement of balance sheet of Shyam Limited as on 31/3/2016 and 31/3/2017. Equity and liabilities, share capital, which is given, which is not given, but percentage is given 40%, and the total of balance sheet is 34 lakh. So 34 into 40 upon 100 will give us 13 lakh 60,000. Reserves and surpluses, it is given 20%, so 34 lakh into 20% will give us 6 lakh 80,000. Then reserves and surpluses, profit and loss account, it is given 15%, so 34 lakh into 15% we will get 5 lakh 10,000. Debentures, it is given 6 lakh 80,000, sorry, it is given 20%, so 34 lakh into 20% we get 6 lakh 80,000. Then trade payables is given 3%, so 34 lakh into 3% we get 1 lakh 2,000. And last, other liability, it is given 2%, so 34 lakh into 2% we get 68,000. So this is how we prepare the amount in rupees column for the year 2016. Now let us talk about 2017, where they have given the amount and total of balance sheet. So on the basis of amount and total of balance sheet, we will find the percentage here. Share capital is given, equity share capital is given 20 lakh and total is given 50 lakh. So 20 lakh upon 50 lakh into 100 will give us 40. So 40%. Preference share capital is given 10 lakh and total is given 50 lakh. So 10 lakh upon 50 lakh into 100 we will get 20%. Right. Third item is reserves and surplus, which is given 8 lakh. Right. 8 lakh out of 50 lakh. So 8 lakh divided by 50 lakh into 100 and we get 16%. The same way, debentures are given 10 lakh. 10 lakh divided by 50 lakh into 100 and we get 20%. Trade payables are given 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by 50 lakh into 100 we get 2%. And other liability is given 1 lakh again divided by 50 lakh into 100 we get 2%. So this is how the balancing figure of liability side can be found in this sum number 14. Let us move to the asset side, friends. Asset side, the information given to us is this, where they have given assets, where fixed asset, tangible and intangible are given, in non-current investment are given, current asset, trade receivables, stock and cash balance, that is cash and cash equivalent are given. When we talk about the years, in the year 2016 they have given us the amount and they have not given us percentage. So on the basis of this amount comparing to this total we will find the percentage. And in the year of 2017 they have given us the percentage but they have not given us the amount. So year 2017, using this percentage we will calculate the amount. The total of 2017 is already given to us, which is 50 lakh. So 50 lakh into 35% will be the amount of tangible asset. 50 lakh into 35% will be the amount of tangible asset, and 50 lakh into 30% will be the amount of intangible asset. Then 50 lakh into 22% will be the amount of non-current investment, and so on. Trade payables, 3%, 8% stock and 2% cash and cash equivalent. Okay, so let us see how to do this. Here it is. We can see that tangible asset for the year 2016 percentage 10 lakh 20,000 is given. 10 lakh 20,000 is given, and the total of balance sheet is 34 lakh. So 10 lakh 20,000 upon 34 lakh into 100 will give us 30%, which is mentioned here, 30%. Okay, 10 lakh 20,000 divided by 34 lakh into 100 will give us 30%. Then intangible assets are given 6,80,000 out of 34 lakh. So 6,80,000 upon 34 lakh into 100 will give us 20%. Non-current investment are given 8,50,000 divided by 34 lakh into 100 will give us 25%. Trade receivables given to us 3,40,000 out of 34 lakh. So 3,40,000 upon 34 lakh into 100 we get 10%. Stock is given to us 23,80,000, 2,38,000 out of 34 lakh. So 2,38,000 upon 34 lakh into 100 we get 7%. And cash and equivalent 2,72,000. So 2,72,000 upon 34 lakh into 100 we get 8%. So this is how the percentage of 2016 be calculated. Now let us see 2017. In 2017 the total is given 50 lakh and the percentages are given 35% for share capital. So 50 lakh into 35, tangible asset 35% are given. So 50 lakh into 35% will give us 17,50,000. Okay, then intangible asset percentage is given 30%. So 50 lakh into 30%, 15 lakh intangible asset. Then non-current investment are given 22%, so 50 lakh into 22%, that will give us 11 lakh. Then trade receivable are given 3%, so 50 lakh into 3% will give us 1,50,000. Then stock is given 8%, so 50 lakh into 8% will give us 4 lakh. And finally the cash and cash equivalent 2% they are given, so 50 lakh into 2% we will get 1 lakh. So this is how asset side is done. So this is how balancing figure we have to find and record in the common size statement and for sum number 14. So friends, here this was the last sum of the chapter. Here we come to the end of this chapter. From next lecture we will be starting a new chapter, that will be accounting ratio. Thank you.